Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Uyan ambel oli ubari unong kenti madan bapaunam. Badairu unong seng jong ke company arms kabari company nakabandaman pejbnia ya ke kuat ke kia bat ke jingklan ke bormet borpat jong ki samla ialehkai lawan poi biang hang ni hakan nong ba shilong nakabandaban wat iki samla donsap da ke bas dang shua da ke jingtes leng baki kor keyboard shua baniarap pentebit shu yaki hakliang ki kam ialehkai. Uyan kambel ulas dang ban pendep ya kene ke kamban wat iki samla donsap da ke pej shua ya ke kuat ke kia bormet borpat jong ki samla hadin baka sorkar jela leng baka tenat ki kam ialehkai kala khot yeu ban pendep ye kene kam rengkat ke jingi trelang jong ke Meghalaya Sport Olympic Association MSOA hapo ke jingi lam jong ba John F Karshing ku badai working president nakliang jong Antor News layo banyak keren bat Uyan Campbell hakapor ba udang lewat samla donsap haki kam ialehkai haka school H Ilyas Kabadon Hanong Shiliang Shilo.
Mr. Yan, can you tell us something about this project? How have you been involved?
Well, we've been testing thousands of children throughout Meghalaya over the last 6 months, and we're here again for our second phase to finish on the 15th of December. And we've identified more than 200 elite talented athletes, both male and female, from the ages of 10 to 17, that will be in an elite pathway program supported by the Meghalaya State Government and Meghalaya State Olympic Association.
What is the process of identification of this talented youth as you have been asked to?
Yes, we use digital technology to perform 4 basic global tests and then match the results from the athletes against global and international benchmarks.
Okay, so how do you process this? I think I could see that you have some equipment. How do you process this system?
Yes, the equipment records all the information on iPads, and our global data team from Edge 10 Group globally analyzes all the performances and puts a report together for all the athletes, tens of thousands of tests for the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, and then we make a further selection for the elite athletes to go into further development programs.
Okay, so what is your job? Just to identify, or what's the next plan after identification?
Identify and now develop elite talent.
Can you tell us something about your organization?
Yeah, Edge 10 Group is from London. The Arms Physical Testing Division is based in Australia. I'm from Melbourne. And also we have a Indian team that work with the BCCI and other major clients in India on our elite professional performance business and our elite health business. And we also do all the performance and health for all the major league sports in America and a number of professional teams in Australia, the UK and Europe as well.
Okay, so how do you find the kids out here?
Oh, they're fantastic. And we love India. I do. I've been here many times. And this is my 3rd trip to Meghalaya. And I love Meghalaya. It's a beautiful place. And it's just fantastic for us to have an opportunity to identify enormous talent in this state. There's so many talented people. And hopefully we are able to do that and give them an opportunity in life through sport to develop to their full potential.
See, our boys here, they love so much in football. How are you related to football? Anything to plan to build them?
Yes, absolutely. And our global football director is Jesper Olsen, who played for Manchester United and Denmark in the World Cup. He will be here with me in February to conduct our first elite training camp.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you.